students, in this lecture I explain important questions of chapter first, matter in our surrounding of chapter chemistry. So let's start. Students, first question is differentiate between evaporation and boiling. Listen students, evaporation and boiling. Evaporation is a slow process and surface process. It is a fast process and whole liquid. Listen students, it occurring on normal temperature while it occurring at particular temperature. Particular temperature. Listen students, evaporation is a slow process and occurring at any temperatures, but there is no specific condition for evaporation, while in the boiling there is a fast process and whole liquid. It is a, for example, evaporation of water occurring when the water is fall down on surface, then it evaporate, but boiling need to be particular temperature 100 degrees Celsius. Okay students, next question. Next question is factor on which evaporation is depend. Listen students, evaporation is depend on nature of liquid and humidity and wind speed, and temperature our surroundings. So evaporation is the nature of liquid and humidity means more humidity, less evaporation, and less humidity, more evaporation. Okay students, next, temperature. Listen students, mainly you have two degrees Celsius and Kelvin, two temperatures. How you convert? If Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273, or you will find degree Celsius is equal to K minus 273. There are two conversion of temperature between Celsius and Kelvin. Okay students, there are another measuring of temperature, Fahrenheit, Reaumur, but in your syllabus there is two, Kelvin and Celsius. Okay students, so how you convert? If you given Celsius, then by this formula. If you given Kelvin, then by this formula. Okay students, next. Next question is sublimation. Listen students, sublimation is the process in which solid directly change to gas without changing in liquid state. Again students, when we provide temperature to the substance, it converted directly to gaseous state without changing liquid state. So these this process is known as sublimation, and this substance is known as sublime. Okay, sublime, camphor, iodine, ammonium chloride, all these are sublimation process. Okay, and these are known as sublime substances. Okay students, in next lecture I explain another some important questions based on your NCERT syllabus and test. Okay, thank you.